I hate going through endless amount of customer feedback and analyzing and synthesizing it. Customer research is actually fun. You get to talk to customers, you get to note down all the feedback that they have. But if you're a one person in your team who is conducting both the research and the analysis, you're going to be drained out. So I found a tool recently called Breyta AI and I gave it a try. So if you have feedback like this, sometimes you might get very formatted, sometimes you just get a document file like this. So in Breyta, they have this 3-panel view. In the first panel, you get to see all your source files. So here you can see I have uploaded this document and here I get to see all the findings. In the third panel, they have an assistant where you can chat and ask some questions. After you upload the file, you get to see the outline, the content, you get to see what is the file about or what are the sources about, and then your findings are here. So for example, how many customers are complaining about a certain feature. So let's say this is about share feature, so what are customers saying about it? And I get this kind of analysis here, which is nice. They also highlight this technical failures, bugs, etc. This is very valuable for UX research teams and product management teams. So that's the center panel here. And I also can chat. So here was my question: who mentions difficulties with the share button's visibility? And then I get to see the pointed feedback. How many customers are talking about that particular feature? So when I used the product for the first time, I was actually kind of blown away. Although I must say that ChatGPT and Gemini kind of do the same things now, but these tools have found some sort of a niche because they try to focus on that customer research problem, and therefore the tools become very focused on that problem statement and the solutions tend to be better. In ChatGPT and Gemini, the interface is still very chat-like. So you do have a source file and everything, but the UI doesn't seem very relevant with the problem that you're trying to solve. So I find Breyta kind of tools quite interesting. There's another tool that I had discovered called Craftful, which is now acquired by Amplitude, and it seems like the problem is definitely valid. How big the problem is, we don't know, but we will find out. By the way, I have a video on YouTube channel where I did the deep dive into this particular tool, and I show you the process of how I upload the documents as my source files and how I get the results from this tool.